Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm just going over what I'm doing. So for SparkFit.app, I'm working on it. I got to figure out like the back end of it, building out the app, fixing the bugs. Ironlog.co launched. It's just me doing the YouTube, the Instagram, and things like that. So, trying my best. And yeah, let's get into the video. We're gonna go over like different coding agents, the best as of 3.13. Let me go ahead and show you my monitor here. Hope everyone is having a good Friday. All right, so let's go ahead and do. So right now they're saying that MiniMax 2.5 is the best one, comparable to Claude. I'm gonna ask it, could you compare it to Claude? And what about, I think there's like GLT5 or GLM, something like that. So let's go ahead and look that up. I'm trying to build out basically open code. I'm gonna have it with the different open routers. So like for example, if you go to OpenRouter.ai, this one has all the different routers. So, basically to accomplish different tasks. Some are better trained than others. Like Gemini is good for pictures and things like that. So what you could do is you could pull together multiple open router keys and have available to you, Grok, Claude, Kimi. Kimi I heard is really good. And you get Claude, Opus 4.6, and you could call them when you want to call them, which is highly important. Some models are text, image, audio, or a mix. So they're specifically trained in different things, as you can see here, different categories for the different models to complete work. So yeah, we heard about this one. There is a GLM one. It's 744 billion parameters. I'm still learning myself. This sounds like this is the best one, and they have different grades depending on which one you're looking at. So I recommend just using like Perplexity, doing research on which ones are the best ones. It looks like this is the squad. That would be the best. You got MiniMax M 2.5, Claude Opus 4.6. I mean, it's just crazy how like the benching of it is, so close. The context 262, 1 million, but it's just like wow. So I think you use Claude Opus 4.6 to orchestrate MiniMax. That's what it looks like. I'm just trying to see if, well, what happens if you have like multiple open router keys and things like that. I'm going to experiment. That's what I like doing, is experimenting. And been busy just trying to figure out like the best ways to like do different things in the terminal with Claude. And these are like the new models that they're talking about. The GLM Z1 32B is free. Yeah, I don't really like the free ones because it's like I just feel like there's latency, things like that. I do have open codes to the proper locations. I do use Obsidian as well. Obsidian is really cool. It basically syncs up all of your like AI and stuff. Like so, for example, just wanted to show you. It's kind of cool. Trying to bring it over here. So yeah, so like we're in here, and you go like right here, and you could see like all your past like memories and sessions and stuff like that, and different. It's pretty cool how like to view your history and what you've done, and kind of like just going it syncs together. So if you're on multiple devices, it just syncs together. I think it's like $20 a month. This one I recommend. I'll see if I could put like a link in the video. This one is definitely highly recommended for Claude, open code, different things like that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on. So the yeah, ironlog.co, the app launched. So I'm gonna get it better. What's going on is I'm trying to find the best ways of doing things, and that way, and like I don't have like that much. I have a MacBook which is like old. It's like an 8 gigabyte. Like it's really old. And then I got the Windows. It's really old too. It's like RTX 4070. So it's like, man, I'm just doing what I'm working with. So my apologies about that. But yeah, just want to give you guys an update. And yeah, if you could please like and subscribe, I appreciate it. Gonna go ahead and dive into AI. And I did do like 1,000 hours of like chat GPT before and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool to just pass on like the knowledge and things like that. So and learning each day. So yeah, you guys have a good Friday.